Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we have discussed enough about the recent approval of 83 LCA Tejas fighters by the Cabinet Committee on Security for Indian Air Force with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and this was done at a cost of around 47,000 crores. In this video, we would not be discussing anything about the deal, but we will see what are the latest happenings with the fighter related updates. So let us begin with the bulleted list to keep it short and to the point. The first update is regarding the tail number which would be printed on the upcoming new Tejas fighters. As per the defense sources, it looks like the Tejas Mark 1A fighters would be getting tail numbers prefixed with the character MPP. Prefixing the tail numbers with MPP was approved by HAL, Indian Air Force and other teams involved to honor the late Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar, who was the former Chief Minister of Goa. He was one of the main forces behind the Indian Air Force and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to bring them on board for the development of upgraded Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. The second update is regarding the price tag for each LCA Tejas fighter. After all negotiations and discussions, the final price with 18% GST, the price for each Tejas Mark 1A fighter will be 52.5 million US dollars. With this price tag, it is said that HAL would be getting a profit of in a margin 6%. The third update is regarding the infrastructure development for maintaining and servicing the upcoming LCA Tejas fighters in future. As per the defense sources, it looks like Rs 1,202 crores have been sanctioned for Indian Air Force to create infrastructure that will enable them to handle the repairs or servicing at their base depot so that the turnaround time would be reduced. Decreasing the turnaround time would be very helpful during mission critical times and would lead to increased availability of aircrafts. This would enable Indian Air Force to sustain the fleet more efficiently and effectively due to the availability of repair infrastructure at their respective bases. The fourth update is regarding the fast tracking of the procurement of 21 MiG-29 and 12 Sukhoi Su-30MK fighter jets. These fighters would be acquired at relatively lower prices, and it is really required to boost the depleting strength of Indian Air Force squadrons. So that was a quick update regarding the latest happenings with regards to the fighters of Indian Air Force. I'll upload another video with further latest news regarding fighters once I have anything new. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.